Hello everyone. In this video, I tell you the 5 magical glowing skin remedies. The good news. The ingredients for a skin saving treatment are probably sitting in your pantry right now. Whether you need moisturize, exfoliation or help with toning. And whether you want results overnight, in a day or in 10 days. There's a home remedy for that. Try any of these suggestions to get glowing skin. Number 1, coconut oil. The remedy works best for dry and dull skin. Coconut oil locks the moisture in the skin and also nourishes it with essential fatty acids. It also protects your skin from radiation and enhances skin barrier function. All these factors can make your skin glow. Ingredients: virgin coconut oil. Now, warm up the oil slightly and apply it to the face and neck. Massage for a few minutes in a gentle circular motion. Leave the oil on overnight. You can add some sugar to the oil and use it as a scrub to exfoliate your skin once or twice a week. Use coconut oil every night before going to bed. Number 2, olive oil. Olive oil is an excellent moisturizer and imparts a natural shine to the skin. It protects the skin from the free radicals and prevent damage. It repairs the skin and makes it healthy and glowing. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, a small soft towel, warm water. Now, take a few drops of olive oil on your fingertips and apply it all over the face and neck. Massage in upward circle for 2 to 3 minutes, especially on your cheeks, nose, and foreheads. Dip the towel in a warm water, wring out the excessive water, and place it on the face for 30 to 40 seconds. Dip the towel again in the warm water and gently wipe away the oil with it. Pat your skin dry with the paper towel. Do this every night before going to bed. Number 3, cod liver oil. Cod liver oil is rich in omega 3 fatty acids, vitamin A and D, EPA and DHA. These nourish the skin, repair damaged cells, and give the face a radiant glow. Ingredients: cod liver oil or, if available, cod liver oil capsules. Now, prick open the cod liver oil capsules and apply the oil present inside on the face and neck. Massage it for a minute or two. Leave it on for about 10 minutes. Rinse with water. You can also use a mild cleanser. Apply cod liver oil once every day. Number 4, milk. This is an age-old formula for healthy and radiant skin. Cleopatra's beauty routine always incorporated honey and milk. Raw milk contains skin-friendly ingredients such as saturated fat, protein, calcium, and vitamin C. Honey is also known for its moisturizing and antibacterial properties. Ingredients that you need: 2 teaspoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon besan or gram flour. Now, mix all the ingredients to form a homogeneous paste. Apply it all over the face and leave it on for 20 minutes. Allow the pack to dry. Rinse off with warm water. Apply this 2 times a week. Number 5, saffron or saffron. Saffron has been used since ancient times to maintain clear and naturally glowing skin. Its antioxidants keep the skin healthy and it also protects the skin from sun damage. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, a few strands of saffron. Now, soak the saffron strands in the honey for a couple of minutes. Apply this honey to the face and neck. Rinse after 10 minutes. Apply saffron infused honey 3 to 4 times in a week. The flawless blemish, acne free skin that you have always desired is no more dream but a reality. These home remedies make your dreams come true.